Yeah, this is going to be a little bit of a problem.
I'm going to get my morning going. We're departing the hotel today at 9:30. Be at the airport at 10 o'clock. Take off at 11. Fly to Atlanta. Going to be going into Peachtree Deklab, spending the night. Staying there till, I think, after dinner tomorrow night, and then back to St. Louis. Kind of a long weekend for us. That first day, oh, that was a killer there. We did get some day rooms. I mean, that helped, but it still ends up being a long day, you know, even getting a nap. We didn't get into the hotel till close to 1 o'clock. That would have been 3 a.m. our time, Central Time. So the next day, oh my gosh, I was up with the sun. I think Mike was also. We crossed 2 time zones, so yesterday was just basically what I call a recovery day. You know, you just kind of drag in the whole day. So I didn't take much video yesterday. I mean, we just had dinner, lunch, just hung out in the hotel. That was it. Don't have a rental car this trip. And there were thunderstorms last night, rain, and I think we're expecting showers really all morning until we depart. We got rain in Atlanta at our arrival time, which may end up being a problem. We'll just have to see how that works out. Oh yeah, people ask me, you know, that book that I'm reading. See, I read every morning, you know. Why do I read like that? I'm trying to get better, improve myself, set goals, achieve goals, larger goals, stop procrastinating. I think that shower is going to pass off to the west. Instead of going to the little exercise room downstairs, I'm going to actually go outside, get my exercise outside. Enjoy Tucson. It's a little cool out here. Cooler than I expected. Ooh. I think I'll warm up though. This is my first time seeing rain in Tucson. I've never seen this much water here before. There's a rainbow up there. Definitely wetter than I'm used to here. More like Missouri with all the standing water. A lot of stuff's in bloom. Breakfast next to the fountain. Well, like I said, it's going to be 3 hours to Atlanta. We're going to cross 3 time zones. So by the time we get there, it'll be dinner. What are we flying out of here today? We're going to Atlantic Aviation. We're flying a jet. Atlantic. Okay, I think for Tucson, the worst we're going to have is maybe a little stuff on the climb out. We'll be over everything en route. And it looks like the worst of the weather is already to the east of Atlanta. So that's good. We may have some spotty stuff we have to work around, but I think overall we'll be good with this. Yeah, it looks like he's going to have some fun. Okay, getting ready here. He's starting up. I just want to keep that volume down a little bit. It was getting loud. Looks like we're looking out. We're going to get out of Tucson before the next wave of thunderstorms hits. That's a good thing. We're out there, all moving this way. Okay, I'm going to start that APU in about 10 minutes. Time to go.
200. $50, $40, $30, $20, $10, $5.
All right, all straightened up. Going to get an Uber and head to the hotel. 3.1 hours here. Had to shoot the approach in here. We did the ILS 21. Thunderstorms had just left. They were just off to the east. It all worked out as I thought it would. Oh, let's not block the Red Tails. Great movie. The Uber man is on his way. Passengers are gone. Heading to the hotel now. Here's all the stuff about the Greenland expedition to pull up Glacier Girl, several hundred feet under the ice. There it is. They had to dig it out. But one interesting fact about this is I used to work for this guy. He's here. Okay, I just walked in. There's the view. It's okay. It's a view with buildings. But what I got to do now is I got to call my mom. It's Mother's Day. I sent her a card, but I got to call also.